Hey guys, good morning. My skin is skinning. You're not supposed to see me on this dress again, but
Thank you! It's an apple!
hey guys, good morning. Yeah, so this is what a typical morning looks like. So I start my day off by I don't know. Kotutu musi aga ko si ebido. Ana me ebido ya by. I've just been saying I will start it out and this at the moment. Hi guys, so this is the last evening I'm going to be spending as a student or graduate in University of Nigeria in Nsukka. Anyway, I'm heading for Bible study, which is usually on Tuesdays in my church. See you guys after service. Maybe or maybe not. Bye. So you guys, good morning. You're not supposed to see me on this dress again, but calm down. So I wore this yesterday for Bible study and I got a lot of compliments. So I was like, it seems this is the dress I'm going to wear this morning to go home, and that is exactly what I did. Yeah. So that's why you're seeing me wearing it again. Also, how do you know that I am a horticulturist if I don't go back home with plants? Crazy, right? So yeah, I'm going to get some plants that I'll be going back home with. Call me crazy, but that's your business. That's entirely your business. Yeah. So I might show you guys the process of getting it, and maybe when I go home planting it at home, I might not show you guys. So until then, take a wild guess of the plant I'm going to get today. I don't know if you can see the background. You're supposed to like get it right. I'm going to show you what the plantation looks like. Yeah, so this is where I'm going to be getting what I need to get. It's so beautiful, right? Yeah. So beautiful. So while I wait, I want to show you guys some things I find very interesting in this palm. It's an oil palm and it's fruiting kind of a dwarf variety, and this is how massive the fruits are. So it's not just this one. There are others as well. you guys, there's also a screen house in this farm. I'm going to be walking along so that you can see what it looks like. It is really good to raise plants because you get a chance to limit how pests invade your farm or your crops, and they grow really well. It's also good in raising nursery plants or whatever. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it is made of net. So there are different materials that you can use to make it. So if you watch closely, you will see the plants. This is a nursery. So from there, they're going to be transplanted and all of that. So this is really good for raising plants. You guys, I don't know if it's because I'm going home today or what, but my skin is skinning. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I'm saying this because if you watch the previous clips of the videos it's going to be part of this one, you see that my skin was not at its best because I was neck deep into project work and all of that, so it was going through it.